The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Noble County in northeastern Indiana, western Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, eastern Marshall County, Indiana, until noon Eastern Daylight Time at 11:26 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Bourbon, Oregon, 9 miles southeast of Bremen, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Napanee, Winona Lake, Bremen, Syracuse, Bourbon, South Whitley, Milford, North Webster, Pierceton, Mentone, Tippecanoe, Etna Green, Leesburg, Cromwell, Claypool, Larnwell, Burkitt, Sydney, and Big Barbie Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging wind and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Come on.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko, Marshall, Noble, and Whitley. This is no